Okay, now I'm going to record the damages to my belongings, starting with the utility closet. I have a Dyson vacuum cleaner that was saturated in water. I have a massage table that has been saturated in water and a 6-foot folding table that was saturated in water. I have boxes of items that the boxes are saturated in water. Okay, their boxes are ruined. They were saturated in water. All of my clothes that were in the hallway for laundry day are completely saturated in water. My bedroom, okay, has this here. This whole thing is completely wet. Do you see that? This whole floor, this entire room is completely saturated. It's saturated underneath of the bed, the entire mattress and mattress box spring. You see this? All of this is all the way up to this level. All the way from the floor up to this level is wet from the floor and the flooding of the water. This mattress needs to be replaced. Okay, my furniture was saturated in water, all the legs to the furniture. This is a vintage piece of furniture and the legs are ruined. This one piece of furniture is probably worth about $2,500, $2,000 for this one piece of furniture. Okay, then we go into the hallway and we are now in my kitchen. And again, all of the floors are saturated. There's flooding all underneath of the mats, all over the floor. I've been using towels to wipe it up and then wring out the towels. But as you can see, as I walk, you see this? All of this has been flooded and I've been slowly wringing things out into the sinks and in the bathtub. This lazy boy chair with a kick out that's on a rocker, this lazy boy chair needs to be replaced. The entire bottom of it was filled with water on both sides. This is completely saturated and it was on both sides. This massager, Homedics, all the electrical devices were literally filled in water. This whole mat is saturated and wet. And I'm recording right now, not now. This entire sofa, which is a leather sofa from, I believe this was from IKEA. This was a $1,500 or $1,200 sofa. The entire bottom is flooded. All of the under coating was all the way up into this level here. So that needs to be replaced. This piece of furniture, which is wooden, the whole bottom of it was filled with water and that needs to be replaced. All these floors, wherever I walk, as you can hear, there's still water everywhere. Another piece of furniture with wooden legs. It's a stool, ottoman, needs to be replaced. These heavy pieces of furniture back here. It is a bookcase. It is an extremely heavy bookcase that has glass shelves and the bottom base is, it is just a very, very heavy piece of furniture. It's vintage furniture and the entire bottom of it is flooded with water and all of my books on the bottom shelves are wet and ruined. We're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets full of books that are flooded with water. This is the immediate damage that I see. Obviously, I have not moved any of these heavy pieces of furniture that are against the wall, but I can tell you right now, every bit of the floor is completely saturated in water, and we're talking, the bed level shows the level, which was, looks like 8 inches of water on the box spring mattress and the bottom level of the mattress. So that means everything had been saturated to 8 inches of height. And since now that water level is still sitting on the vinyl flooring and it has saturated down, so all of these vinyl floors need to be replaced. All the furniture needs to be replaced. And I am, again, displaced from my apartment. In the bathroom, the floor is slate floor and a bathtub, but there are no signs that I can see because slate is not the same thing as vinyl, which when you walk on the vinyl, you can hear the squishiness of it. the water just seeps through the vinyl, but it does not seep through the slate. That's what I got.